Hello, traders, and welcome to Price Plan Profit. I'm Melissa. Today, we're diving into one of the most important questions every day trader faces right at the open. Should you trade or wait during the first 15 minutes? The first 15 minutes, why are they important? The opening bell sets the tone for the entire session, but that volatility, it can fake you out. The first 15 minutes often show exaggerated moves, stop hunts, and emotional decisions. Many traders get caught chasing green candles or red candles only to be stopped out by an immediate reversal. Jumping in without confirmation can cost you and cost you fast. I like to wait for clear signals. Waiting for clear signals reduces risk of market volatility. It allows for clearer market direction to emerge and helps confirm trends before making moves. And it prevents emotional and impulsive trading decisions. Now, there are times that I will trade immediately, such as if I am scalping on a clear break above or below the PMZ, my favorite day trading indicator. And of course, if the risk to reward is good. Or after a big imbalance 5-minute candle above or below the PMZ and then a retrace that holds key Fibonacci levels, that is an example of when I would trade the first 15 minutes of the market open. I have a wait and watch checklist. This is very important for me. Price action inside of the pre-market zone. I am watching how price reacts to the PMZ. I'm looking for trend formation versus choppy action. I watch wicks that are rejecting both sides of the range. And is volume rising or stalling significantly? I can tell volume without having it on my chart by the size of the candles. Small candles equal low volume and large candles equal high volume. This checklist is what I ask myself. If these conditions don't align, I sit on my hands. Discipline keeps me profitable, not action. Let's look at an example of when I would be setting and waiting during the first 15 minutes. On this first 5-minute candle, price opened above the PMZ, but we had an immediate pullback to the inside of the PMZ where that candle closed. Then watching the next 5-minute candle, it rejected the top of the range. It closed inside of the PMZ, so no entry on the next candle. Then at the 15-minute mark, I'm watching this candle that finds support at the bottom of the range, closes inside of the PMZ. Therefore, my bias for to this day is chop. So I will wait for price to get to an extreme level before trading it. Now let's look at an example of where it was go time during that first 15 minutes of the day. On this first 5-minute candle, it closed below the PMZ, giving me a bias to the downside. It created a doji candle, so therefore I'm going to watch the next candle for clues. Looking at the second 5-minute candle of this day, I can see that it comes up testing the bottom of the PMZ and prints a trendy turn signal to the downside. This is my clue that it is go time to place a trade to the downside based on my watch list. And you can see price indeed went down, hitting targets as it fell. Now, the bottom line is this. Number one, time is your edge. Clarity is your weapon, and discipline is your shield. The first 15 minutes doesn't necessarily reward the fastest traders. They reward the most prepared. So before you click that buy button, ask yourself, are you reacting on emotions or are you ready with a plan? If you found this content valuable, please hit that like button and be sure you're subscribed to Price Plan Profit so you never miss out on a new video. And if you would like to join me and trade live watching how I prep and trade, I invite you to click the link in the description where you can join me and my trading partner Trendy John at Simpler Trading in the Trendy Trading Room. I'll see you in the next video.